What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Clout, aka Increase Sale, back at it again with another video for y'all. Today we got an unboxing. We finna get into this. What I later found out was a sunglass unboxing. This was an order of 10 sunglasses, 10 pair of Louis sunglasses. This is from my same vendor that I ordered from not too long ago. I got 3 different styles and multiple pairs of each style. It's crazy. This package actually shipped out within like 2 days and it landed within like 7 or 8. So this was pretty fast. This is the second time sunglasses have shipped within like a week exactly, or a little bit less than a week. But I'm excited to hear about or to get into this unboxing for y'all today. But yeah, like I said, we got 10 pair of Louis sunglasses fully packaged up. And, yeah, I paid about 36 each for these. Or actually, it was like 33 this time. So I'm gonna sell them each for like 200 to 300 to 350. And yeah, that's good profit. But, here we go unboxing one of the colorways. Getting into it. This is my second time ordering sunglasses from my special vendor. And yeah, I just send her the styles that I like or that people are looking for, that my customers are looking for, and my vendor can find them. Yeah, and she gives me the prices on both orders. But I'm about to get into more brands and stuff. I'm gonna throw some images of some of the shit that my vendor also offers. I'm texting her right now as we speak. Trying to chop it up about some more styles for sunglasses and shit. But I want to throw the pictures in there. Here's the first pair of Louis sunglasses we got. This is the plain black men's style monogram Louis Vuitton sunglasses. But yeah, they come with everything: the dust bag, all original boxes, packaging, lens cleaners, and stuff like that. So it's just me getting into it. Like I said, we got 3 styles for this video specifically. So I left them boxed up for the most part for this unboxing, but here goes the images of the back stock of my vendor. These are all the sunglasses, the styles. So we had black, blue, and then the black with the monogram, with the gray monogram. But this is how everything came packaged. I ordered 10 at a time, paid $335 for all 10. I'm about to sell 2 right now, as you can see on screen, for like $150. But yeah, I just messaged one of my customers that I met, just strolling around, outside, trying to sell stuff outside in person, and somebody purchased. But I'm about to meet them and sell 2 sunglasses for $150. But here goes some designer bags. These are really expensive bags. This Louis bag right here is worth like $8K. I actually got this in on hand about 2.5 weeks ago. I got 2 of them. One of them was, I kind of gave it away / lost it, but I don't have one of them anymore. I lost one, and I lost a pair of Louis sunglasses. That was like $700 profit that day, but I misplaced it. But here goes a bag on hand. This is what it looked like when I bust down pictures and everything. Comes with everything, original packaging, store-bought bag, store-bought box, all stickers and plastic, all that stuff, wrapped styrofoam. Everything was packaged amazing, straight like it's from the Louis store. And receipts and everything. I can get receipts through, depending on how the item was bought or how I received the item from my vendors. So I get them emailed or physical in-store receipts. But here's another style of that bag, just in another colorway. Like I said, this is just Louis Vuitton. I can get multiple bags, as you're about to see. My bad, I can get multiple brands, as you can see in these pictures. But here's Dior. We got some Dior bags. I got Chanel. My vendor has a lot of backstock in the factories that I can get a hold of. And this is, before the items hit certain places like retail stores, such as the Nordstrom, Saks, and Louis Vuitton. But that pretty much wraps it up for this unboxing. I just had to show y'all the sunglasses, which were the 3 different colorways that I pulled up for y'all. I've had other colorways, so you just gotta go check out my old videos and shit. But there's way more styles and stuff like that. I'm gonna continue to put y'all on. I know a lot of y'all see reselling lists and y'all see vendor lists, and it's probably the same few products such as Essential Spider hoodies, you feel me, certain Jordan 4s, Jordan 1s, Travis's and stuff like that, some Dunks. But there's way much more like that you can get a hold of, and then I got like exclusive items that are put up. So I'm gonna drop some more images right here for y'all as we can see. But yeah, here goes some more sunglasses just for now. There's a plethora of items. I got clothes that I can get a hold of, sneakers, all type of brands, Jordan, Nike, Adidas, designer sneakers, Louis Vuitton, Amiri, etc., etc. You see Kobe's on there. So there's so many items, there's so many shoes and clothes, and then even accessories. Like we started off with sunglasses. I can get belts, handbags, wallets, coin purses. Any brand, bro. I can get everything. And DH Gate, I know a lot of resellers shop on DH Gate. DH Gate is so limited. There's so many more websites such as Haggo Buy, Panda Buy, CM Buy, CM Fans. So everything from overseas that you all want, and then I can get a hold of it, or people can get a hold of it, but the access is limited, and the way that you're finding it through social media isn't like confirmative. Like, it's not the legitimate source for you, and sometimes the quality of the product's not the best, and it's not the legit quality, the one that you actually want. And you're just getting finessed by certain sellers. But luckily, that's why I'm the plug. You just gotta hit me on IG at Ink Resales YT. DM me. I'll send you a link of, you see how I got the pictures on the screen. So I'll send you some of these links to these websites, and then you could just shoot me pictures back of what you want, and then I'll get the item and order it for you. We could work out prices and sizing, and then if you want bulk orders, we could work that out too. But it's just so many items that I have listed, and I'm not even like, even when I'm selling to my customers and I'm trying to communicate with them, they're always like interested in buying hella items. Like, they always look for designer clothes, shoes, accessories, etc., and shit like that. But it's just how I sell it to them, and typically what I have on hand is so limited that, like, as far as options in stock, I could be selling way more. I could make way more money if I was doing something such as drop shipping, or just consistently sending out the website link and then letting customers choose their items for themselves. But me having a certain stock is limiting some of my sales. So I continuously reach out to a lot of my customers just to let them know, like, hey, there's way more items, way more designer brands, styles, clothing, sizes, shoes, items, products, everything. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna continue to get new products in to try out different styles, to do a review for you all. And I don't show meetups often, but I have bulk buyers. I have built up over the past 7 months. I want to say 6 to 7 months has been. I built up a nice amount of like 10 to 12 bulk buyers, and I've just been supplying those few buyers consistently. I do still sell on Facebook Marketplace and offer up things like that. I actually did just get banned on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm about to try eBay, and I've been selling on Mercari as well too. I had a Depop account and it was going well for drop shipping, but I deleted it. I might try to open it back up and see how that goes, but who knows. Other than that, that's y'all staying hip with me as far as YouTube and stuff like that. That was just the unboxing for some Louis sunglasses. and to keep y'all posted on more designer and stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out.